All right, today is 10/17. Okay, absolute value level 10,001.
Whoa. That's a lot more level.
Light work, no reaction.
All right.
10,001.
Yes.
This is going to be hard.
All right.
Yep.
So writing this down, everybody. Everybody's taking down these notes so we know what we're doing when we get the classwork. All right. So the first part was just like, what's the absolute value of negative 8?
Positive 8.
Positive 8, right? So that was the first thing we learned. And then we learned, okay, what's the absolute value of negative 10 plus the absolute value of 2? What did we learn how to do these?
You have to switch negative 10 to a positive 10, and then you keep the 2.
All right. So absolute value of negative 10 is 10 plus absolute value of 2 is 2. What's 10 plus 2?
12.
12. We're done. Right? Then yesterday I showed you, hey, what happens when it's the whole problem inside? Yes.
It's normal.
You switch the numbers?
No.
It's normal math.
Normal math, do it inside. Do it inside. So no. Do I like addition? Yes. You just follow the addition rules. We don't change anything. There's no changing here.
Oh, that's it. We do that when we
So it's just 12.
No.
No, wait, no, no.
Are the signs the same or
No,
different?
It's subtraction because it's a negative 10.
So they're different, so you're going to subtract. What's negative 10 plus 2 equal to? Negative 8. In the bars. So negative 10 plus 2 is negative 8. All right? You have to do the math inside. You have to do the math inside. So we do the math inside, and then we get negative 8. So what's the absolute value of negative 8? 8. Now we take it down. Now something that my second period was doing is they were just writing negative 8 and then that's it. It's like, no, they're still in the bars. So make sure you draw the bars. Make sure you still use the bars. Then you drop it down. Okay? So these are the 3 things I've already taught you how to do. Now we're going to take it up to level 5,708.
That's 10,002.
Yes. Okay, here we go.
Bro, what the actual difference is this?
Absolute value, negative 10 plus 5, absolute value.
Oh, you can't see.
Oh, sorry. Thank you for letting me know. Divided by absolute value, negative 3 plus negative 2. Oops.
No. Isn't that happening?
Yes.
I know. Don't drink it.
Okay, write it down. Your first job is to write it down.
I quit.
That's mine.
You put it on Kiara's paper. I know what the Kiara does right.
I got 1.5.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you're right. It's level 10,000. You need me. I get it. It's cool. I got carried away over there with the homework. Okay. So, first thing is we're going to do this math. What's negative 10 plus 5?
Negative 5.
Okay, so this gives you negative 5 in the bars. Right? Now let's do the bottom. What's negative 3 plus negative 2?
Negative 5.
Negative 5 in the bars. Now, what does this line mean in math? Divide.
By 2. No, I should not.
This means division. Now, I'm not ready to divide yet, though, because I got to take them out of the bars. What's the absolute value of negative 5?
5.
What's the absolute value of negative 5?
Positive 5.
Now, what do I have left over?
5 by 5.
So how many makes one whole?
Yeah, 5 divided by 5?
1.
1.
Easy.
So the real answer is 1.
Oh.
It's 0.
I was 5 points away.
I thought you went to MIT.
I didn't strike 5 points, that's all.
How did you not know 0?
All right. So it very much looks like a hard problem because it's written as a fraction. But when I just do, I do the top, then I do the bottom. Then once I have nice numbers, I divide. And you end up with a not so difficult problem. All right. Okay, let's try this one. -6 divided by -12 divided by 6 plus 5.
Uh-oh.
Looks hard, looks complicated, but it is not. Is there anything I can do with the -6?
Yes.
What can I do with the -6?
Multiply by 2.
Multiply by 5. No, add.
Switch it. Just change it to a positive.
Why?
Because.
Is that right?
Divide it.
I don't know.
Is there anything I can do?
Total divide by 6.
Is there anything I can do with this number right here?
No.
No, it's just
Oh.
it's just -6.
-4. I think so.
Okay. Can I do anything with this?
No.
No.
Add it to the 12. Where is there a 12?
There.
It's just a number there, right? Nothing to do. Okay, now let's look at the bottom. Is there something to do at the bottom?
Yes.
Yes. What is there for me to do?
12 divides
12 divided by 6.
and 6.
Yep. Divide -12
Negative 12, sorry.
divided by 6.
Which makes -2, I think.
Yep, so this gives you -2 in the bars. In the bars.
Oh, yeah. True.
What's the absolute value of -2?
2.
2, okay?
And 2 plus 5 is.
Nope. Nope. Where does this 2 go? This 2 goes at the bottom, right? So I'm going to rewrite it. -6. So this, I'm going to rewrite it over here. Divided by, what was the now number at the bottom? 2 plus 5.
Wait, that means we divide the 6 and the 2, that'll be 2. No, that'll be 3. And then we add with the 5.
2 then
That'll-
is 2.
Okay,
That'll be negative.
Got it right.
so what's a negative divided by a positive?
4. Negative. Positive. No, negative. Negative 4.
So what's -6 divided by 2?
4.
3.
Negative 3.
-3. This gives you -3. You write it down so we have it correctly and we don't shout out 4 anymore.
The negative 3.
Plus 5.
2. 2. Positive 2.
Positive 2. Write it down.
I'll 2 numbers
all of
away.
that, and I got it.
I got it right, you see, without paper either.
I'm not like the reincarnation.
I need you to write it down.
Oh, you're 2 points away. I didn't go down.
You know, someone asked me, Miss Lamella, do you have notebook checks? And I said, I should. And they're like, how would you do a notebook check? I'd be like, oh, I would check the notes that you copied down. I would say, take a picture of October 17th. Did you write down the notes for October 17th?
Oh,
Yep, I did.
Uh-oh.
I did. What day is it?
I did.
October 17th.
Today?
Yes. All right.
About that.
Let's do the hardest problem.
And human history?
Oscar, what are you doing?
Exactly.
Mm.
He's doing his homework.
Mm.
Oh, I love the line.
Okay. Absolute value of -42 minus 24. Minus.
Switch.
Oh, you can use the...
I'm making a really hard problem. But you do. You do.
How much is that? Negative 42 minus 24 or
I think I got it.
and negative?
I don't like this problem.
Can I have two negatives without an operation?
Yes.
No, I don't think so.
Miss, can I?
2.
All right, what are we gonna do first?
I don't know.
You check the sign if it's same or not.
Subtract.
But we don't like subtraction.
I like
add.
keep, change, opposite.
Negative 42
Plus negative 24.
plus negative 24 in the bars.
Oh my god. I knew it.
Okay, so I rewrote it. Keep, change, opposite. Keep, change, opposite. Rewrote it. Now, are the signs the same or are they different?
Same.
Same. So you are going to add. So go ahead and add these two numbers.
66. The negative 66.
Negative 66 in the bars.
We put it down or no? Yeah.
Then now we put it down.
That was
What's the
66.
absolute value of negative 66?
Positive 66.
Positive 66. I have this minus. Okay. Now I gotta deal with this stuff over here. Lots of stuff to do.
I think you should multiply the first.
Wait,
I think you should multiply first.
Do we for the negative 21 minus 31? Is it keep, change, flip? Okay.
This one, keep, change, opposite. So can you rewrite that? I'm gonna rewrite it over here. How do I rewrite negative 21 minus?
Negative 21 plus negative 31.
Very good. I'll zoom it in so we can see it.
Which equals 52. Negative 52, positive 52.
So this is going to give me negative 52 in the bars. What's the absolute value of negative 52?
Positive 52.
Positive 52. Now this goes on the top or does it go on the bottom?
The top.
The top, right? So this answer is all of this work and I get 52. 52 divided by, whoops, I wrote it over here. All right. So this one, put it right over there.
52 divided by 62.
What's 13 times 4?
62.
52.
What is
16
it?
times 4, that's
13 times 4, 52. Where does that number go?
Next to
next bottom of 24. No, 52. 52.
All right. Hey, I got,
That's one whole.
yeah, I got 52 divided by 52. What's 52 divided by 52? 1.
Yay.
So now I have 66 minus 1 because this is equal to 1.
It's so confusing. In my opinion.
I was 1 point away.
That's confusing.
It looks confusing. And if you literally went into like outer space for 2 seconds and you came back and you saw this, yeah, super confusing. Super confusing. Because I went all over the place, right? But if you were doing the math with me and following along my little arrows,
I would.
totally, it's not that confusing. But if you literally like, I'm going to look over here. Now I'm going to look back. What just happened? What did she do?
Math.
66 minus 1?
65, I think.
65.
Ooh, that's hard.
How many problems did we do? We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did at least 5 problems in
In one.
one.
Problem. 5 problems or more.
That's
It
so
is.
confusing.
It shouldn't be confusing if you were doing it with me.
It's a bit. I was thinking.
Totally, Alex.
It's a little easy and a little confusing.
It's
Yeah.
not that confusing once you get it.
True.
It looks once like if you don't really know that much. Like right now, if I do a whole problem, I will probably like get a few wrong.
Yeah, well, that's why Miss J and I are here. Like, you do the work in class, and we're like, yes, no, oh, watch it, right? So if the more you do in class, the more we can help you, right? But if you're like, I'm gonna finish this at home, we can't really help you at home. So try to finish as much as you can in class, so Miss J and I can always check your answers and help you if you need to. Like if this problem, and all of a sudden, like I think someone said 62 here, right? They wanted to give me the answer of 62 down here. Miss J and I could check, be like, oh no, wait, that's what you did wrong. Double check it. That's why you show your work. We can check where you made your mistakes. All right, cool. Woo! That was fun. Wasn't that so much fun? Blue paper.
I'm done with the
Can you check it?
Listen, Miss J and I, in a couple of minutes, will check, but we got to get everyone started first. Does that make sense? So just be patient. If you don't have the blue paper, I will give you the blue paper. Do you have the blue paper?
She can just cut it out.
I'm going to tell you which side I want first.
I don't want none of these.
Is this another one? Or
Is this the same one?
Yes.
Every finish with the blue paper, can you work on Alex or like any other assignment stuff?
Yes. So do you have the blue paper?
Yeah.
You have it. You have it.
What's this? Simplifying what?
Okay, on the blue paper. If you're done, you're done. But if you just got it, we are going to start on actually the back side. Start on the one that says number 2. This one is the one I want you to do first. The one that says number 2 on there. It's technically the back.
Miss Lum.
Yes.
What happened if you have the white paper?
That was due yesterday.
Oh. Yeah, I turned it.
All right. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go.
Oh, bro, I thought you graded it. Sorry, Mr. Miller.
I quit.
Yes, you're gonna start on the number 2.
I totally quit.
Thank you.
20, 20.
Wasting my time, man. I know it's your own time.
No, it's time. That's time.
Okay, we're gonna fix that.
Yeah.
It's supposed to look like an 18 when you thought you were
6 minus 6 is 0. And 5 plus 5 is 0.
Wait, you want this one?
I don't think it's supposed to.
Fix it.
Oh no! I got the we're supposed to wait.
I'm not gonna leave that.
That's 8.
Oh, never mind then.
It's not 8.
I'll get that.
Okay?
2 minus 9. Keep changing.
Everybody else, Tiffany. You're working in class. Okay?
Holy
You have to
Yes.
turn it in. If you don't turn it in, you get 2 days.
-9
0.
equals
Yeah,
7.
we do
I
keep
use 0 for
we do keep change references. I'm just smart like that.
You are getting 2 days.
Actually, I don't think I can do this.
Everybody else gets 0 days.
Right there. Now you get the
If they don't turn it in,
Let's start.
This is not
That's
sweet.
yeah,
once you're done with the
any of these students, they all get 0 days.
Wait, I'm
We
confused.
would do the whole front.
And that's it. If I don't pay the rent on time, I get in trouble. Okay? So if you don't turn this right here,
They should
you
recheck
get
it.
a 0. Homework, 2 days. That's it.
Everyone wants to leave alone.
Okay?
Your numbers are just very.
And that's what we're gonna inform parents to. I talked to Ms. Vasquez yesterday, and she's in agreement.
This is a what?
Yeah. So once you get the back done, check it,
On 10.
then switch over to level
Miss
5017.
Holy moly.
10. I don't know if this is right.
So, did you take that one?
Take it out.
Wait, which one should we do this class?
Wait, Gio, I don't get this. The front one.
I'm look at two.
Look at one.
Because if it's -4 in the world,
-7 is -3, which equals negative.
that's the only reason why we tell you to put it in the box and then
Strike
take it
6.
outside.
Where's your work?
Oh,
That's
I don't know.
3.
It's
Plus
easy.
3.
I don't. It's easy.
3.
It's not 4. Yes. Minus.
It's -6.
That's
Miss, that's a class.
I'm so smart.
Yup.
I'm not gonna done.
Quit on me.
Negative 8 plus 4 I take away.
So Melly.
I don't. What?
Negative 8 plus 4 I take away.
Negative 8. Can you show me negative 8 finger? That's not negative 8.
Negative
Dump.
8.
So you keep change opposite.
That's a plus.
Oh, then he got it.
Okay, say it one more time.
Negative 8 plus 4.
How you get 5?
How'd you think
Oh.
you would get 3?
So you're going to
Exactly.
without changing.
Minus 4.
Positive 5.
No,
-2.
it has nothing to do with
Oh,
5.
4.
-1.
Yes, you got it.
Come on now.
My brain stuck. Number 2.
I think that
For
was
which one? 4 or 2?
How do you get 5?
Gio. I'm in number 5. I'm in number 6 already.
Right.
Gio.
Oh my god.
How you get 5?
Easy.
Which one?
Oh, no, oh, yeah, I see my mistake. Holy moly.
I'm so smart.
I'm mad.
Wait, for what? For which one?
You forget.
That's a 2.
Which
That's a
one?
1.
Which one?
Plus 1 is 5.
Be careful.
Holy, I'm so smart, bro.
For which one?
5, 2.
All 2.
Number
I
6.
think number 9.
I got 4.
Yeah, 4 divided by 2. That's what I showed you today.
So it's for the
Where'd
number
my pen go?
Well, it depends because some kids, when they see this, where we at here, when they don't do a keep change opposite, they might think it's a positive 8, and it's like technically it's a negative 8. So I don't know. Can you handle it?
17.
Imagine in high school. Imagine in high school what's going to
My
happen.
mom texted and I'm
And
gonna.
she can wait until your passing period.
The passing period's in like 7 minutes.
Yes. So he can wait 7 minutes to respond to
8
his
divided
message.
by 8 divided by 4 equals divided by 6.
I'm actually so smart. I'm gonna do it.
Out of 1. 2 out of 1.
Mr. Melly, does your show work on like easy questions? But it's so easy.
Is it?
It was sunny in the morning.
You want to check out?
I want to check your answer.
Okay, except for this one, because I messed up.
Blue.
7?
7 is
Oh,
7.
2. See? 4. I need help on number 9. 8.
7, 5.
Wait, 7 was 34.
That's still a negative.
Wait, so 21 plus 13. I mean 14.
Honestly, my 5th grade picture was the scariest thing.
Yeah. What's 5 minus 5?
It's really bad.
Minus
17.
It is, honestly, I laughed at it too.
Okay, Chris.
So it's okay.
No, the real answer is
Negative 1.
Why?
yeah.
What?
23. 23.
Yes, it is.